How to make Instagram slide carousel post. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make a carousel slide post on Instagram. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into our video. If you're trying to make an Instagram slide post or a carousel post, so slide post means you have a certain carousel post, but that looks like a same image. So here you can see image 1, continued by image 2, and continued by image 3. So these are all just the same image split into multiple parts, and maybe you want to upload a picture like this. For this, first of all, make sure you choose your target image first. So my target image is going to be like this. Normally a horizontal image would be best suited for this because it's a carousel and you have to slide, right? Then we're going to download an application called Grid Maker for Instagram. This app is available for free on Play Store, and on App Store you can search for other applications. Once done, you can download and launch the Grid Maker app. And of course it's a free app, so you might just have to deal with a couple of ads like this. But here you want to look for this option called Panorama and tap on it. Now choose your target image. Now you can see it's separated by 3 grids for now, but I can even increase it to 4 grids, 5 grids, have only 2 grids, or something like that, how much ever you see fit for you. And basically once you've done that, you hit this arrow icon from the top right hand side. It's a free app, so again you might have to see a couple of video ads. Let the ad close up patiently, it's just a few seconds ad. Then it will split that particular image into multiple parts, like 3 parts if you selected 3 grids. Then once done, you can see it has created a splitting part. Now you can open up Instagram, try to upload the new image by tapping on it, and make sure to select multiple. Then this will be the first image, this will be the second image, and this will be the third image. So when you tap on next option over here, next time you can see these are just a continuation of the same image, one after the other. So this way you can create slide carousel post. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.